ओ नमो नमः। संस्कृत कणिका चतुर्थी अभ्यंकर कुलोत्पन्नस्य श्रीपादशर्मणः। संस्कृत स्निपेट्स नंबर 4 by S.L. Abhyankar, Friday, July 23rd, 2021. Having studied the letter A, let me study the letter A. In Update Dictionary, A, the second letter of the alphabet. A, used as a particle or interjection, showing assent. Yes, verily. Compassion, anukampa. Ah. Pain or regret, usually written as or ah. Alas. Recollection, smaranam. Ah, oh. Ah, evam kila asit. But used as a disjunctive conjunction and used as a cumulative conjunction. Sometimes used as an expletive. Ah, evam manyase. In all these senses, I is treated as a pragriya vowel, does not form any sandhi with the following vowel. It shows anger also. A as a prefix to verbs and nouns. It expresses the senses of near, near to, towards, from all sides, all around. See several verbs. With verbs of motion, taking, carrying, like that, it shows the reverse of the action, as gam to go, agam to come, da to give, ada to take, ni to carry, ani to bring. As a separable preposition with ablative, it shows either the limit, inceptive, abhividhi, from ever since, away from, out of, from among. Amula shrutumichhami. Bahubhyah a, from out of many. Ajanmanaha, ever since her birth. Amanohu. Or it expresses the limit exclusive of or conclusive, maryada, till, until, up to, as far as, unto. Ang maryada abhividhyoho. See abhividhi. A. Paritoshad vidusham. Till the learned are satisfied. A kailasat. Up to or as far as Kailasa. Udakantat. In this sense, a sometimes governs the accusative. Shatama jati. Note shatama, shatam a. Up to 100 birds. In both these senses, a frequently enters into compound, forming either avyayi bhav compound or compound adjectives. Abalam or abalebhyah. Abalam haribhakti, commencing with or including children. Amukti or amuktehe samsarah, till final emancipation. Amekhalam, as far as. Amaranam, till death. Agopalum nandrutuhu, down to the cowherd. Agopalad vijatayah, including the cowherds. Sometimes the compound so formed stands as the first member of the other compounds. Sohamajanma shuddhanam afalo daya karmanam asamudrakshiti shanam आना आनाकर रथवर्त्मनाम. This is from Raghuvansham. Aganda vilambi, akarna vilambi. Used with locative, it has a sense of in, at, mostly Vedic. Gavona yavaseshva. This is from Rigveda. With adjectives or sometimes with nouns, a has a diminutive force. A panjara. Adjective. Little red, reddish. आपिंजरा बद्धरजः कणत्वान् मंजुर्युदारा शुशुभेर्जुनस्य. This is from Raghuvansh. A pandura, a little white, whitish. Alaksha, slightly visible. A kampaha, gentle shaking. So, a nila, a rikta. As a separable adverb, a chiefly occurs in the Vedas and means near, near to, or towards, there to, further, and also even. In many cases, it emphasizes the word which precedes it, and when placed after prepositions, it strengthens their sense. आप्रगृह्ये स्मृतगुवाक्ये परितापे पितामहे घटे भावे च आ अस्तु स्यादव्ययं कोपपीडयोः आङीषदर्थे व्याप्तौ सीमार्थे धातुयोगजे. आ or ah, name of Shiva, also grandfather. Name of Lakshmi or Brahman. Speech, boundary. Asvayambhurimo Vaji Kheda Shankara Vasavo Parijatas Samah Pradnyo Nivasas Chanakasutaha. In Shabdakalpadrumaha, A Akaraha Dvitiya Swaravaranaha Asya Uchcharanasthanam Kantha Such a Dirgha Plutascha Bhavati. Akaram Paramascharya Shankha Jyotirmayam Priye Brahma Vishnumayam Varnam Tatha Rudramayam Priye Pancha Pranamayam Varnam Swayam Paramakundali Iti Kamadhenu Tantre. अस्य लेखन प्रकारो यथा अकार रूपमासद्य दक्ष क्रोडायतात्वधः ब्रह्मादयस्तथा शक्तिस्तासु तिष्ठन्ति नित्यशः इति वर्णोद्धार तंत्र. तस्य नामानि यथा आकारो विजयानन्तो दीर्घच्छायो विनायकः क्षीरोदधिः पयोधश्च पाशो दीर्घास्य वृत्तकौ प्रचंड एकजो रुद्रो नारायण इभेश्वरः प्रतिष्ठामानदाकान्तो विश्वान्तकगजान्तकः पितामहो द्विषान्तो भूः क्रिया कान्तिश्च संभवः द्वितीयामानदाकाशी विघ्नराजः कुजो वियत् स्वरान्तकश्च हृदयमङ्गुष्ठो भगमालिनी इति वर्णाभिधानम्. इन पुरुषोत्तम देव प्रणीतः एकाक्षरकोशः स्यादाकारस्तु पितामहः पूजायामपि मांगल्ये आकारश्च प्रकीर्तितः. Since akaraha has quite some grammatical significance, let me check up in Dictionary of Sanskrit Grammar by Kashinath Shastri Abhyankar. He composed a dictionary of Sanskrit grammar. The long form of the vowel a called dirgha, consisting of two matras, in contrast with the short a, which consists of one matra, and the protracted a, teen, which consists of three matras. Substitute a of two matras when prescribed by the word dirgha or vruddhi for the short vowel a. Upasarga a, ang, in the sense of limit. For example, a कराडादेका संज्ञा, a कौमारम यशः पाणिनेः, a उदकांतात्. This is from Mahabharata. Indeclinable a in the sense of remembrance. For example, एवं नु मन्यसे. ईषदर्थे क्रियायोगे मर्यादाभिविधौ च यः एतमातं गिन्तं ङितं ङितिं एतमातं ङिदिं ङिङिदिं विद्यावाक्य स्मरणयोर्दिन्. This is from Mahabhashya on 1140. Augment a, ak, as seen in charachara, vadavada. Augment a, art, prefixed to roots in the tenses lung, lung, and lung. Substitute a prescribed for the last letter of the pronouns before the tadhita affixes druk, drush, druksh, and vat, as in ta drush, etc. Feminine affix a, tap, dap, or chap, added to nouns ending in a. Substitute a or at, or da or al for case affixes in Vedic literature. Ubhayantarau nabha prithivya. Ang, indeclinable. A pronounced nasalized. For example, abhrang apaha. This is from Mahabharata. Ak. See above the word a, sense number 5. Yeah, augment a, ak, as seen in charachara, vadavada, etc. Then ang, the preposition a. See the word a above. The number 3. Upasarga a, ang, in the sense of limit, etc. Ach, tadhita affix a, applied to the word dakshina and uttara. For example, dakshina vasati, uttara ramaniyam. Art, augment a, prefixed to roots beginning with a vowel in the imperfect, aorist, and conditional, which is always accented, udat. The augment a prefixed to the imperative first person terminations. For example, karavani, karavai, etc. Augment a to be prefixed to case affixes, which are ngit, ngit, after nouns called nadi. At, long a, as different from short or protracted a, described by the word vruddhi or dirgha in the case of a, or by the word at when substituted for another vowel, as for example in the rule adecha upadeshe shiti and the following. Panini Sutram 6-1-45-47. Substitute for the ablative affix ngas after words ending in a. This is as per Panini Sutram 7-1-12. Substitute at for a case affix in Vedic literature. For example, na tad brahmanad nindami. This is as per Kashika Vritti on Panini Sutram 7-1-39. In the above tabulation, there are words ak, ang, ach, at, at. These words are also included because grammatically they all connote a. Now, some Swadhyaya Tippanya, self-study notes. Although A is inherent of Vruddhi characteristics, as defined in the very first sutram, Vruddhiradaich, it also has inherent the Dirgha effect as encoded in the sutram 6-1-101 Akas Savarane Dirghaha. Although A has Dirgha effect inherent, I would contend that A can be pronounced in all 18 different ways, including Hraswa. See, Anunasika Hraswa Swarita A. A means, oh, how come this has happened? A. Also, one would use Anunasika, Ananunasika Hraswa Swarita A to call a little bird to come nearer. A, 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 a. This again is the universal language. When I started with this Sanskrit Kanika about A, I did have some idea that it is going to be an interesting study. But this study has exceeded my initial ideas. Shubhamastu.